Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to see how to use Node Version Manager NVM to manage more than one node versions in the system. So the Node Version Manager help us to use more than one node version in the system. So what we need to do is we need to download one exe related to NVM. So this is the link. I will post this link in the description. So we need to download this NVM exe and we need to install this. I have highlighted few commands related to NVM and these commands we will see in the demo. So now let's move on to the demo part. You need to enter this URL in the browser and it will download the NVM exe. So you can see it is getting downloaded. Yes, it is downloaded successfully. So you need to install this. You need to click on this and you need to follow. Next, 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 and next install. Finish. So now NVM has been installed. Now you need to launch the command prompt in the admin mode. So I have already launched the command prompt in the administrator mode. Now let's see if NVM installed or not. You just need to write NVM. Yeah, you can see the running version is 1.1.9, means the NVM is installed. Now let's see how to use this NVM. First, let's see the command to list down all these node version. So for that we have NVM list. It will show all the installed node version. So you can see there are 3 node versions installed in my system. Now suppose you want to install the new version. So to install the new version you need to write NVM install and the version. Suppose I want to install the 18. Let's enter. It will download the Node.js 18 and it will install. Let's wait for the installation to be finished. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. You can see the installation is completed. I have now 4 versions installed in my system. Let's see NVM list. So you can see there are 4 versions installed in my system. And which is the active one? Which is the active version? The 18, which is having the star. Star means it is the active version. So if you check the node version node minus v, it will show you the 18, means this is the active version. Suppose you want to make particular version active. Suppose this. How to make that? You need to write nvm use and the version. Now let's see the version now. Node minus v. So you can see 16.10.0 is the active version. So if you run nvm list, you will see 16 version as starred. So you can see this star. So this is how you can install the version. You can check the versions, node versions. Now suppose you want to remove particular node version. How to do that? We have a command nvm uninstall and version name. Suppose I want to remove this version 14. It is installing the 14.16.0. Yeah, you can see the uninstallation is finished. So if we check the list of node versions, then it should not present there. So you can see we have 3 versions installed now. This is the active one. So this is how we can manage different node versions in our system. As per our need, we can make particular version active That's all for this session. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.